Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write the general, which is the section where every one of your workspace will receive your message on the Slack application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and after that click on the general section. After that you should type in your message into this message box down below. Tap on the send button next to it, and as you can see you have forwarded your message to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.